Are you looking for the best water trampolines in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best water trampolines that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Islandhopper Bounce End Splash Water Bouncer. With this water trampoline, make your summer even more enjoyable. The product, being a good 10 feet, is suitable to be used by both kids and adults alike. The trampoline is a heavy-duty product. It uses commercial-quality 1000 denier PVC material. PVC lends the product the right amount of sturdiness, along with extending the life of the product. Moreover, the item does not make use of any spring. Besides, it also helps to teach your children swimming, adding 8 assisted swimming handles to the trampoline. In order to make it comfortable, it has a 1/2 inches foam padding for making the users feel comfortable. At number 4. Rave Sports Splash Zone Plus Water Bouncer. Rave has created a long line of successful trampolines, and this one will not fail to meet your expectations. The bouncer will be a perfect addition to your fun summer days. The trampoline comes with many added accessories. With the 7 feet slide, your children can do much more than just bounce on the trampoline. Moreover, it also comes with a log that can be used for support. To make things easier, the bouncer sports an easy-up boarding platform as well. The bounce surface is directly connected to the inflatable tube. Lastly, the 4 points are there to anchor the product and keep it stable. At number 3. Islandhopper Bounce End Splash Water Trampolines. With its spectacular performance, this product has won the hearts of many. Thus, when it comes to quality, you can rely on this product. Unlike most water trampolines, this product makes use of tube flex features, which makes the bouncer considerably lighter. Therefore, this is much more travel-friendly. To provide you with a soft and safe platform, the bouncer also features 1/2 inch foam perimeter padding. Because of the absence of springs, the product can be set up fairly quickly as well. The product has an interlaced nylon webbing design. At number 2. Wow World of Watersports Trampoline. If your primary concern is durability, go for this product without any second thoughts. The water trampoline makes use of heavy-duty PVC material. The material not only lends strength to the product but at the same time, enables it to withstand various elements. Keeping your safety in mind, the product has also included padding between the bouncing platform and PVC body. With the help of the large anchor bag, you will be able to keep the product stable in one place. In case you are looking for a compact design, you are in luck. This bouncer is suited for 2 people. At number 1. Rave Eclipse AJ120 Trampoline. Another amazing water trampoline from the Rave line. This will make sure to meet your every need. If you like the extra bounce in your trampoline, this product is ideal for you. The trampoline has springs which will connect the jumping surface to the supporting structure. One great feature of this trampoline is that it is customizable in various ways with the multitude of attachment options available. Rave also does not forget the essential addition of an anchor connector kit. With the availability of an easy access ladder, getting on the water trampoline is far more convenient. Its surface has black nylon webbing that will easily tackle your weight without hurting you. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.